Hello everyone, greetings from Paytaps team and welcome to Managing Merchants Dashboard tutorial series. In this series, we are going to take you on a journey to learn and discover the power of our merchant dashboard. Throughout the series, we will walk you through each of the menus and options found on Paytaps merchant dashboard and how you can easily manage it. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about how we can customize the hosted payment page labels in different language in order to view the different translations and customize it throughout your merchant dashboard. So, let's get started. The first thing you should know is that we have a fully dedicated solution article under Paytap support portal with the name How to Manage or Customize My Hosted Payment Page Labels in Different Language. And you can see here inside this solution article that we have guided you with a detailed step-by-step process how you can do this customization throughout your merchant dashboard. So let's do that together. First, you need to log into your Paytaps merchant dashboard and from the left menu, navigate to the developers panel. From the developers panel, we will have here the pay page configuration section, and under the pay page configuration section, we have a label called pay page language. By clicking on it here, you will be able to do the customization for the translation inside your payment page or your Paytaps merchant dashboard. So what's simply happening here is for each label inside the Paytaps payment page, you have a tag associated with it. So for example, over here we can navigate inside the solution article. You can see here the tag associated to each label inside the payment page. So simply we will guarantee you a file, and once you download this file, you will have a list of all these tags and the values associated with it simply by changing the value. So for example, over here, this is a one value. By changing it to another value, or this is one tag, by changing its value and uploading the file over here again, the value will be accessed inside your Paytaps payment page and the customization will be done. So for example, let's say we want to customize the English language. As you can see, we have 3 supported language inside our Paytaps merchant dashboard. If we want to, let's say, customize a label inside the merchant English language by navigating the English over here, then clicking on download, and simply clicking on the file over here, you will see a list of all the tags that you need or that you should enable or customize. So for example, first thing you need to make sure is that you are choosing the correct language code and name. So for example, you are editing this in English, so you need to make sure that you are using the EN and then using the English. And then choose the exact tag that you want to edit. Now, if you want to know what is the exact tag you want, just navigate to our solution article over here and you will see an image that contain all the labels, and just by checking the exact label that you want, you can customize it inside the file. So simply, if we want to customize over here the pay page button, you can see here that the button name is HPP underscore make payment. So what I want to do here is I'm going to get back to my file. I'm going to change this HPP make payment. As you can see here, the value of it is pay now. So if we get back over here, let's for example move to our home page over here and test a payment page. I'm going to test the payment page just to show you the current payment page text. It says pay now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this. I'm going to get back to my language file over here, and I'm going to change this value or change the value of this label. And instead of pay now, I will actually make it as fulfill the payment. This simple. I'm going to save the file, and then I'm going to get back to my merchant dashboard over here. I'm going to choose a file, and here I'm going to choose the one I just downloaded. I'm going to select it. Once it's downloaded, I'm going to submit it. And as you can see here, it's been added over here as the new default language file. And now what we want to do is to get back to our home. Let's reload it like that. And let's choose that test API SDK, test it out. And as you can see over here, once we navigate, you will see the new label, which is fulfill the payment. Now you can do that with all the labels inside the payment page. You can see and have a look about all the different labels that you can change over here inside this solution article. You'll be able to change it in different places, different payment methods, an invoice page, and all of that can be changed, all of the different messages, the return page, and simply all of that is fine. Just download the language file, do the needed edit inside each label, and again upload it over here. Click on submit. You will find over here, of course, make sure that you are using the correct language code. And once you submit it over here, if you are looking to delete it, for example, simply just click on delete item and it will be deleted, and you will be using the default language file again. Now, this is how you can customize the label in different language throughout your PayTaps merchant dashboard. Now we can move to the next video.